Hi boys and girls, today we're going to learn how to make really cool spider web dream catchers. The materials we're going to need are about a little bit more than 48 inches of white string. Okay, so basically you'd be measuring from one end to the other end of the ruler 4 times. And then you're going to need one full pipe cleaner that's black, cut exactly or close to the halfway mark, and then a glitter colorful pipe cleaner cut in half, but just one of those, and then 3 beads, your choice of color. However, you're going to want to make sure that the hole is large enough that it'll be able to go through the string, and there are some beads that are just a little too small in the inside to do that, so just take a look at that before you grab your beads. Okay, so this project is going to require some patience, okay, and maybe some redos, and that's okay. This is a neat project because it's very tactile, very kinesthetic, meaning you can use your hands and you can feel it, you can feel the texture of the different materials that we're using, and it's just a fun hands-on activity. So we're going to start with the 2 black pipe cleaners that originally were just one piece, but they were cut in half. And you're just going to make a cross, and you're going to try to make it a really even before you bend it over. So I have like a pretty even square / cross T. So I'm going to now wrap one end around in the middle. Okay, so I'm basically attaching them now together, right? So if I let it go, it's attached. And just to keep all of the legs, we'll say, the same length, I'm going to want to do the same thing for this one. Okay, so it's just been tightened even more, essentially. I'm going to need to rebend it's straighten I should say, because it's been bent, as best as I can. It will not be perfect, and that's okay. Alright, now I'm going to take my sparkly color one of choice, and if you decide you want to do all black, you can, but I want to give you the option of a emphasis point with color, that is. Okay, if you want to go that route, and I chose blue because I don't know, I was just in the mood for blue today. And then it almost looks like a snowflake once you wrap that around, just like I did for the black. And it's all attached, right? So it's not going to fall apart. I can re-straighten it a little bit more if I want.